Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to link your Discord account to Facebook? Today I'm going to show you how to add Discord account to Facebook. First of all, open the Discord app and tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. This will take you to user settings. Next, scroll down and select connections. This is where you can link various accounts, including Facebook. Tap the Add button and choose Facebook from the list. You will then be redirected to Facebook to authorize the connection. Enter your Facebook credentials and allow Discord the necessary permissions to sync your account. Once you have approved the connection, you will see Facebook listed under your Discord connection. Now your Discord and Facebook accounts are linked. And that's it. Now you can easily connect with friends across both platforms. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.